When a rubber roller goes down, your whole operation can follow. With over 60 years of experience, we specialize in repairing, regrinding, recovering, and even fully replacing industrial rubber rollers quickly, precisely, and reliably. Harwood has a large inventory of rubber compounds available to support your specific needs quickly and respond to your emergencies. We can restore or formulate new rollers to your specific service condition and provide you with the most suitable material with the most effective durometer. And we do it fast. Emergencies take priority. We offer same-day regrinds. Both pickup and delivery services are available. We know downtime isn't just inconvenient, it's expensive. Want even more peace of mind? Ask us about backup rollers. Having a spare in rotation means fewer breakdowns, faster changeouts, and a more resilient operation. We work with your AutoCAD or traditional drawings and are capable of reverse engineering your existing worn rubber rollers. Whether you're dealing with wear, damage, or just planning ahead, our team is ready to help. Send us your drawing or just the worn roller, and we'll take it from there. Restore performance, reduce downtime, extend the life of your equipment. Don't wait for a breakdown. Contact Harwood Rubber Products today.